Hello, this week in this video we'll see how we can add videos. It's very simple to add YouTube videos or other websites like other popular hosting services, video hosting services like Vimeo. What I'll do is I'll close all these tabs and I'll open a YouTube. I'll copy just copying this URL. And I'll paste it right after this. Here you can see it's already displaying the video using OEmbed, and using OEmbed it's a very simple. You don't have to do anything. If I am previewing these changes, here it's displaying, and we can play this. It's that simple, and it works with other services also. Directly you can paste the link and it will display, like for Twitter and Facebook also. Here you can see it's displaying latest tweets from Twitter, and if I use Facebook also, it's a similar. If you want to embed any post from Facebook also, just copy the link of that post and can display that post. Here you can see it's a Facebook post and it's linked to Facebook. Here it is, and just paste on the URL. All this information is taking with the help of OEmbed. I'm just removing this Twitter and Facebook, and you can use any other providers and it will works. And we have one more thing. We can fetch the images from a URL. If I want to use any image, like here, if I want to use this image, I can just copy this path and paste it, and I can add a caption. You can choose alignment, and we can insert into post. It's inserted right here. This image is inserted from other website. You can insert these images using this insert from URL, and we have seen all these options: adding a media and creating gallery and featured image, insert from URL. And if you have audio files, MP3 and video files, you can create a playlist also. It's not recommended to use WordPress for audio and video. Use third-party services. It's better to use other services like YouTube and Vimeo for uploading video files or audio files. You can find other services also, because by using these services, user can get a better experience instead of slow download speeds or slow buffering. It's better to use other services. And if you want to try, you can upload images, you can upload videos and MP3 files, and you can test it out. It's always better to use other services. This is all about media, and we'll see about WordPress pages in our next section onwards.